Hello guys, this is an update video about the profit of my 570 4GB per wattage GPU. I will check what is the most profitable coin at the current moment. The Bitcoin price today is $43,295 and the Ethereum price is $3,363. For Ethereum Classic, the hash rate is 31 megahash. The power consumption is 110 watts. My electricity cost is 12 cents, 2% fees. And the current monthly profit is $16.45. Raven coin, 13.7 megahash at 135 watts. The profit is $13.81. Ergo, 65 megahash at 95 watts. $17.46. Vertcoin, almost half a megahash at 90 watts. The monthly profit is $9.27. On Beam, 14.5 souls at 100 watts. The profit is $11.37. And Turtle coin, 21Q hash at 100 watts. The monthly profit is below $1. This is definitely the least profitable coin, no doubt about this. The most profitable coin this month, again, is Ergo. It was the most profitable last month. Ethereum Classic is at the second place and I am still mining it. You can see Raven coin. It is on third place because of the hard fork. The block reward was 5,000 and after the fork it is now 2,500. If you wonder what to mine with 4GB GPUs, you should choose Ergo or Ethereum Classic. If you want to see how I've achieved all of these hash rates and power consumption for every algo, you can see in the description there is a link to a video for every coin. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.